y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Welcome to my kitchen. It's almost dinner time, and I'm going to be putting together Applewood baked chicken, and I'm using the chicken tenders. You're going to need chicken tenders, some bacon, and some spices, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to mix up in this bowl the spices, which is 1 teaspoon of salt. I have pink Himalayan. It is 1 teaspoon of paprika. This is a good sweet and savory chicken. And I'm gonna wrap some bacon around it. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Original recipe was garlic salt, but I have powder and that's what I'm gonna use. So a teaspoon of that. A teaspoon of cayenne ground red pepper. A teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I'm going to use a little less than that. I don't want that much heat. I'm probably going to do half. That should do it. And then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. And a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm using the Truvia brown sugar, or the Splenda brown sugar. I'm gonna do 2 heaping tablespoons of that. Cookie's in the kitchen with me. She's my sidekick. Okay, let me get a fork. And I'm just going to give that a stir and get those spices blended up. Okay, I'm going to put my chicken in a casserole dish and I'm going to spray it. My oven's at 350 and I'm going to bake this for about 50 minutes covered. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my chicken tenders and lay them in the pan. I'm going to sprinkle them with this dry rub. You know what, I should have went this way with it. Let's try that again. Let's go this way. And instead of wrapping each one with bacon, I'm going to lay the bacon over the top and bake it like that. I'm going to squeeze all these chicken tenders in. One more. They're going to shrink down as they cook. Let me toss this. Give my hands a wash. No ma'am. No ma'am. Cookie down. No ma'am. This is not for you. You've got dog food, girlfriend. Okay, I'm going to take this with my hands, sprinkle it all over my chicken tenders. You could use chicken breast if you prefer. Smells good. I can smell the red pepper and the garlic in this, and I'm going to use all of it. Okay, and then I have cut my bacon in 2. We had bacon given to us for Christmas, 2 different kinds, and so I wanted to use what I've got in my refrigerator before it goes bad. Waste not, want not. So I'm going to lay this bacon over this chicken. Like so. what's everybody else doing for dinner tonight? It's always fun to see what other people are doing for their dinner. If you want to, you can individually wrap the bacon around each tender, but I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm kind of in a hurry to get it in the oven, to be honest with you. I was reading my book club book and I got kind of sidetracked and didn't get started on supper when I wanted to. I'm about 10 minutes late, so I wanted to get this in the oven. And my bacon's coming apart. There we go. And that way we'll have a bite of bacon with every bite of chicken when we get ready to eat tonight. Let me do one more. And that is going into, let me get my hands washed, a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. And I'm going to start it being covered. And then I'll check it about 15 minutes to go in the time. And then if I need to uncover it and let the bacon brown, I will. So I'm going to set my timer for, let's see, 35 minutes and check it at 35. And if I need to uncover it and brown the bacon, I'll simply just take that off and let that brown. That's what I'm making tonight, y'all. Applewood baked chicken tenders. Give it a try. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real, and we'll see you a little later. I'm actually going to do some spinach and a salad for me, and salad and baked potato for the guys. Anyway, have a wonderful, wonderful evening. We'll see you soon. Bye now.